flowers. Wow, perfect. Welcome to the Seedlings greenhouse, where we bring all the fresh fruit and vegetables and make all the prettiest flowers. As you see, we'll show you a tutorial how to make your own, how to grow your own red tulips. Get a pot, put some pebbles in it, and then I think you use like soil. Yeah, you use soil. Grab the soil. Soil's over there. Use the soil. Okay, Cara's got the soil. You pour in the soil like that, then put in your red tulip here.
No, it has to grow.
Oh, we need something as a seedling then. This would be perfect as a seedling.
It has to
And
go.
after a few days later, you'll soon have your lovely red tulip. I'm going to keep this garden watered.
Yes, dear.
Yep.
Look at that big spider plant though.
It's so beautiful up here. There's mostly bees over here. Hello, little bee. This is a basketball game that we're doing. I think this part is really popular here. One, two, three, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here we go, Car.
Good job, Trey. Yay! You want to do it again? Do it one more time. You did good.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Hello, welcome to Grandma's Kitchen. What are we cooking today?
Oh, the Powder Coated Hockey Championship. Oh my gosh, guys. What in the world is these different cameras? Anyways, what is going on? Anyways, what is happening? What is happening?